just splintered.
Whoa.
It's kind of awesome.
Ooh. If we throw another one, then count how many seconds it takes to hit the ground. I bet
We can tell how tight it is.
Let's do this.
Okay. Engineers.
And then Rachel recording.
Golly, that makes me nervous.
I hate you.
Hey, that was not a good idea.
That scared you guys?
A little bit.
There you go.
You can drop it, I'll time it.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Hold on.
Almost 3.
Okay.
2.89.
So I'll have to get out the equation. It's
The rate of acceleration for gravity is
9.81 meters per second.
Squared.
And then
Write it out on the rock.
whoa, bird. That is so cool.
I'm trying to remember what the equation is. Is it? We want to know the position, right? So it's x t equals v initial times t minus 1/2 at squared. I think it's minus if you count for gravity being negative. But I think it's just going to be x is equal to 1/2 at squared because it has no v initial. So how long was the time again?
2.89.
Okay.
So.
Can't write with this rock. It's not a good rock. Okay, 2.89 seconds is the time squared times
okay.
9.81.
So. Son of a gun, this is going to take forever.
No wonder cavemen didn't do math.
Yeah, really. So, say
That is exactly what cavemen didn't do math.
Okay. Man, we're gonna carry loads of stuff.
Yeah. 70, 80.
And this is why people homeschool.
Bluebird!
Yep.
Oh, that's so pretty. Oh,
That's
he's
a 1.
going, he's going.
Okay.
And then 18.
I don't even know where you're at now.
Find a better rock or something.
Try that one.
1.
What about this one?
So that's 18.01. For the first line. Why don't we just run it at 2.9?
I don't know, because you already started doing it. But you can if you want.
8 times 4 equals 24.
4.
Is that 4 or is that a 9?
No, it's not a 4.
Yeah,
Is that a 9?
Yeah.
Can't you
Well, then
read?
8.9 equals 72.
Huh?
Isn't that right?
2.89 times 2.89.
Well, 8 times... Y'all doing the next line.
Well, yeah, you'd be doing the next line, but that's going to be 3 lines, and ain't nobody got time for that.
Yeah, and then
72.
we add it all together. And
8 times 8 equals 64, right? Yeah.
Screw this.
And then 8 times 2 equals 16. There's your next line.
Pull out the calculator.
Guys, I'm the communication major.
So?
And then 2 times 9 equals... That's 18. And 16 and 4. That's your next line. Oh, you're doing so well, and then we gotta pull out the calculator.
Hey, ain't no shame in that.
8.3521.
Okay,
Times-
times 9.81.
9.81. The 81 meters.
That's not focusing.
Alright, and that's like, how many meters per feet
Yep.
again?
3.174,
Is it like 3 point?
I think.
I don't know.
So 3.1, maybe it's 3.2 something.
You know we could have just done it in feet already.
Oh,
Isn't
yeah.
it like 32.1 feet
Oh, yeah.
per
It's,
second squared?
Okay, so let's do that instead.
I never remember the conversion, but
I remember most of them because engineering. Which I am done!
the only one I remember
Forever.
is 2.54 centimeters to an inch.
Yeah.
And I can get the others from that, but it's
I'm
a
gonna
pain.
toss another one down to make sure we got our time right.
Yeah, okay. You ready?
No.
Oh.
Here, drop this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Nope. 2.56.
Round in between. I mean, if you wanted it right, we could do like 20 rocks. Then we gotta start accounting for the drag of the rocks and the
please,
tumbling
no.
motion.
No.
That's what we call red up and ask him about all that stuff.
That's when we look at transport and vomit everywhere.
It's all about drag. Oh, the bird's back.
$238 feet.
Yep.
Oh snap. 238 feet.
238 feet. Super terrifying. All right.
So,
And that's only the drop to there, because the river's a lot lower than that.
yeah. And you can hang glide a good ways down there. I'm telling you, you should get a cheap hang glider off of eBay. It'd be great.
Well, we ready to move on?